Anna is a young woman who feels tired almost every day. She works at an office. She wakes up early, takes the bus, and sits at her desk for many hours. At the end of the day, she feels slow, sleepy, and without energy. She thinks it is normal, but one morning she hears two coworkers talking. One coworker says, "I drink more water now. I feel better and stronger." The other one says, "Me too. Water helps me a lot." Anna listens and thinks, maybe I should try this. That night, Anna goes home and looks at her small bottle of water. She usually drinks only one bottle a day. Sometimes she even forgets to drink water. So she decides to start a simple challenge: drink more water every day. She says to herself, I will drink 3 bottles of water each day. The next morning, Anna wakes up and drinks half a glass of water. It feels good. She takes her big bottle to work. During the morning, she drinks slowly. She feels a little different, more awake. At lunch, she drinks another glass. In the afternoon, she drinks again. At the end of the day, she feels lighter and less tired. On the second day, Anna follows the same plan. She drinks water in the morning, afternoon, and evening. She feels more energy in her body. She can walk faster, think better, and stay more focused at work. After 1 week, Anna is surprised. She says, Wow, this is amazing. Drinking water is simple, but it helps me a lot. She feels less stress. She sleeps better. She wakes up easier. Her skin looks bright, and she smiles more. Anna also starts carrying a bottle of water everywhere she goes: at home, at work, at the park, even at the supermarket. Drinking water becomes her new habit. It feels natural now. One day, her friend Maria asks, Why do you look so happy and full of energy? Anna smiles and says, I drink more water. Just that. It is a small change, but it makes a big difference. Maria decides to try it too. Anna learns something important. Small habits can make life better. She does not change everything at once. She only drinks more water every day. And because of that, she feels stronger, happier, and more alive. The lesson is simple: small steps can bring big changes. Before looking at the vocabulary, take the opportunity to check if you're subscribed to the channel, give it a like, and let's practice. Tired, she feels tired after work. Energy, he has more energy in the morning. Bottle, she carries a bottle of water. Habit, drinking water is a good habit. Focus, he can focus better after drinking water. Awake, she feels awake after drinking water. Simple, this is a simple idea. Challenge, he starts a small challenge. Drink, I drink water every day. Healthy. Water helps you stay healthy. Carry, she carries her water bottle everywhere. Sleep, he sleeps better at night. Change, one small change can help you. Smile, she smiles more now. Daily, this is her daily routine.